Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discussing about total probability theorem, Bayes theorem, and its applications. Get ready. Okay. Yeah, very good morning, Charan. Now see. So last time we discussed this. I have given some problems to solve DPP. All of you solving DPP questions. Yeah, very good morning, Didhar. A, B, C are independent events such that P of A is equal to P of B is equal to either given. Probably that none of the A, B, C and D occurs. This one. Independent events also they given. Idea is there how to solve? If not required, you can proceed. None of them occurs means what here? Directly we can write P of A dash intersection B dash C dash intersection D dash like that, meaning not occurring anything. Then what to do here? Simplify. Doubt is there? Ask me. Okay. So same like that. Second question. See all of you. How to solve this one? Anyone getting this one? A and B are independent events. This one. This is the question. How to solve? So this type models how to approach using addition theorem. I'm giving ideas. See, using addition theorem. What is that? P of A union B is equal to 0. What is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Since independent event means what is the meaning here? Does not affect the remaining occurrence of the event. P of A union B how much? 0.7. P of A 0.4. P of B, that is P minus P of A into P of B. That is the question. P minus 0.4 into P. So P is equal to 0.3 by 0.6. Answer is coming 1 by 2. So like that you can solve these models. After this one, tell me I can proceed. Let's proceed. One ticket is selected randomly from the 100 tickets, number 00, 01, 02, and so on 99. So what is the meaning here? Consider two-digit number. What is that? X1, X2 denotes the sum and product of the digits on the tickets. Then what is the probability that X1 is equal to 9 by X2 is equal to 0? Dear student, they're asking like it is look like conditional probability like P of A by B. What is the P of A by B? Conditional probability of the event here when the event B has already occurred. That is the question. How do you approach this type of models? Anyone? See carefully. How many numbers are there? How many tickets are there? There are 100 tickets are there. See carefully. Anyone? So just I'm giving an idea. What is the multiplication theorem? P of A by B means what is the formula? P of A intersection B by P of B. That is the meaning. Now let us see solution. Consider number. Consider a number. I'm taking some xy. Fine. Is it clear, dear students? See. Now then see carefully. X1 is equal to 9 and x2 is equal to 0. So first one is I'm taking x1 sum of the digits means what here? Let us say x1 represent means what? Sum of the digits. That means x plus y is equal to 9. What about x? X comma y should be 0 to 9. I can take. And the other one is xy is equal to 0. Xy is equal to 0 means what here? X can be 0 or y is equal to 9. Or x is equal to 9 or y is equal to 0. Like this. Why? Now see the cases. Anyone? What is x1? Sum of the digits. X1 means what is sum of the digits is 9. What are they? I'm writing first one is 0, 9. Next, 1, 8. Next, 2, 6, 2, 7. Like that, 3, 6, 4, 5. And so on up to what? 90 I can take. Sum of these digits, how much here? 9 is coming. Check it. Similarly, what about x2 here? Product is 0. I can take 0, 0, 9, 90. Sir, why you are not taking 0 to 0, 3? But condition is what here? Sum of x plus y should be 9. Only 0 to 9, 90 will satisfy. That is the meaning. X2 is equal to 0 means how many are there? I'm writing C once again. Let's go and see. What is the first number? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, so on up to what? 90. Yeah, 10 is there, 20 is there, like that. That is the meaning. Now get ready. P of x1 is equal to 9 by x2 is equal to 0. What is the meaning, dear students? It is P of x1 is equal to 9 and x2 is equal to 0 whole divided by P of x2 is equal to 0. So what is the probability of getting A intersection B? Any one. What is the probability of A intersection B? Tell me. What is the answer? 1 by 50. Are you sure? Anyone? Total how many elements are there? What is sample space here? I'm writing C. What is sample space? Directly N of S is how much? 100. The given C. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 and so on. 99 means 100. Now, get ready. P of x2 is equal to 0. Anyone? What is the answer? X2 is equal to 0 means what? 0, 0, 0, 1 and so on up to 0, 9. 10 plus 10, 20, 30 up to 90 means there are 19. See carefully by 100. Now, P of x1 is equal to 9 and x2 is equal to 0. What are they? Sum is 9, product is 0. Only these two cases. See, that's why I wrote here. X can be 0 or 9. Y can be 9 or 0. So this can be written as 2 by 100. Therefore, required probability is equal to, what is the answer? Intersection A intersection B is how much? 2 by 100 by x2 is equal to 0 means 19 by 100. So answer is 2 by 19. So you can practice, some models are available. Some questions you can practice yourself. So option is A. Why not like that? Just a minute. Tell me. Next one. This one also. Let A and B be two events such that P of A intersection B dash is equal to 0.20, like the P of A dash intersection B and P of A dash intersection B dash 0.1. Then what is the probability of A by B? That is the question. How to solve in a one? Now see. Solution. Dear students, what do you mean P of A by B? P of A intersection B by P of B. Fine. Now, P of A intersection B dash. What anyone? What is the answer? P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of A dash intersection B. P of B minus P of A intersection B. See carefully. Add them. How much coming? 0.20 plus 0.15 is equal to P of A, we don't know, plus P of B minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B repeated, but this value is how to write? P of A union B. 0.35. So what is the value of P of A union B? Anyone? Anyone? How to write? P of A union B. Because they given P of A dash intersection B dash. Complementary event concept I'm using now. Now see. P of A union B whole complement is given. How much? 1 minus P of A union B. So therefore, 0.35 is equal to P of A union B is how much? 0.9 C minus P of A intersection B. So P of A intersection B is how much, anyone? That is 0.55. And using this property. P of A dash, how much coming, anyone? P of A dash intersection B is how much? 0.15. P of B minus P of A intersection B is how much? 0.55. Therefore, P of B is equal to 0.7. Now, P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. How much? 0.55 by 0.7. That is 55 by 70. So 11 by 14. So option is A. So this type of models we can expect in the examination. Get ready. So this time syllabus is including multiplication theorem, total probability theorem, Bayes theorem also, total probability theorem except binomial expansions. Probability binomial expansion is there, that is different case. Completed? Did you there? Pawan, Kumar, Maurya, anyone? Yes, okay, thank you. See, so try to solve yourself. Okay, previous IJ adverse question, but it's very, very easy for you. Sure, doubt is there, ask me. Still, anyone completed this one? If doubt is not there, means I can proceed. No doubt means. Okay, still no one rising. So, yes, means doubt is there, no doubt. Okay. What is the simple here? It's a total addition theorem. P of A and B means what is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Independent event means what? P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Since A and B are independent events. No doubt. Okay. Apply this formula, you can get the answer. This one. Thank you, dear students. Try. Now this one also. Check it. Same thing. This one also same thing. Formulas. Only formulas. Now see, this is the basic question, basic level question. A coin is tossed 3 times at a time. So this is the basic level question. Dear students, see. Question number 1. Head on for a toss. Heads on first 2 tosses. Question number 1. Question number 2. Anything. Question is P of E by F. That's the question. Right on, all of you? So I will explain any one of the question. Remaining questions try yourself. Dear students, suppose tossing 3 coins means tossing a coin 3 times means what is sample space? 2 cube. Am I correct? Why? What is sample space? See carefully. HH, HT, HHT, like that. So, excuse me. He had done third tosses means what? Third position must be H. See carefully. What about F? Heads on first 2 tosses, HH, like that. See, H, triple H, double HT. Now see, E intersection F, only one is there. Check it. HHT not possible. Why? Because talking about E means what here? Head on the third toss. Here third toss is missing. I mean, okay now that is missing. So P of F is 2 by 8. P of E intersection F is 1 by 8. Apply the formula, that is the answer. See question number 2, question number 3, like that. See carefully. So these are what your conditional probabilities. So please write down. So mains means here most of the questions, especially mains, means they are focusing NCERT questions. So whenever you are getting free time, so once revise the NCERT textbook. After completing, tell me, I can proceed. Completed. Okay, very good. See, same thing, same model. If we two events A and B are such that P of A is equal to 0.3, P of B is 0.4. P of A bar intersection B bar is 0.5. Then what is the value of this one? How to find this one? P of B intersection A union B bar by P of A union B bar. That's all. So what the logic is there here? Apply P of distributive property is there. B intersection A union B intersection B bar by total means addition theorem means P of A plus P of B bar minus P of A intersection B bar. That is the logic. Try. Okay, now? So they given P of A, P of B. Simplify. That is the answer. B intersection B bar is what? Pi. So numerator is coming exactly A intersection B is coming by P of A plus P of B bar minus P of A intersection B bar. That is the answer. Find out with the help of what are the given conditions, with the given data, look like this one. Shall I continue? Yes, shall I explain this one? How to find A intersection B? P of A union B whole dash. How much is given? 1 minus P of A intersection B. So this is how much 0.5 is equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B. So A, so this is what here? A union B. Just a minute. A union B means this is also A union B. Okay. So therefore, P of A union B is how much? 0.5. Simple, that is the answer. P of A union B is there. P of A, P of B is there. Find out P of A intersection B. Now, how to find P of A intersection B bar? Anyone? B dash P of A minus P of A intersection B. That's all. So try. You can get the answer. One. P of A plus 1 minus P of B minus again P of A plus P of A intersection B. Apply this formula. You can get this P of A intersection B by 1 minus P of B like that. This is called as addition theorem. 0.5, 0.3, 0.4 is the question. So how much coming? 0.2 by 1 minus 0.4 plus 0.2, that is the answer. So answer is 1 by 4. Yes, this is the solution. Dear students, see carefully. That is the answer. You want to write down this one, you can write down, it's your wish. But please mention this is the addition theorem. Like that. See. Shall I proceed? Still anyone writing? See, this is the other model. Question is here. Last time discussed this one. A box contains 10 mangoes, out of which 4 are rotten. So using conditional probability. So two mangoes are taken together. If one of them is found good, then what is the probability that another one is also good? So dear students, see, let A be the event.
Yes, is equal to minus 2.5.
Let A be the event that the first mango is good. B be the event that second one is good. Then the question is required probability is P of B by A. What do you mean P of B by A? Conditional probability that probability of B when the event A has already occurred. This is the formula. Now, how to find P of A intersection B? Both mangoes are good. What is the probability? Well, so choosing any two mangoes, what is sample space? That is 10C2. Both are good means 6C2. That is the P of A intersection B. Now, probability that first mango is good. Okay. So what is the favorable cases here? Favorable cases is what? What is that? Suppose both mangoes are good, or one is good, one is bad. Means by this one is favorable cases by 10C2. 6C2 plus 6C1 into 4C1 by 10C2. Now, P of B by A. What the result is coming here? I'm writing C carefully. P of A intersection B is how much? 6C2 by 10C2 whole divided by so what is the answer? 5 by 13, that is the answer. So same question they can ask different way. Find the probability that other one is rotten. Another one is rotten means can you guess? Anyone? So at that what is the answer is coming anyone? Yes. 8 by 13. Good. Just now discuss this model can see. Okay, no? Just now discussion this model see. Dear students, it's very, very important. This proof is also asking in IPA. Anybody need proof? I'll give, otherwise simply explain theorem. Anybody expecting proof? Law of total probability. Let in a random experiment, yes, E is a sample space. And E1, E2, E3, and so on, En are mutually exclusive and exist to events. If A is any event which occur with E1 or E2 or so on, En, then P of A is equal to this one. Dear students, anybody need proof? Tell me. I can give. Anyone? Proof is not required. Okay. So just a minute. I'm checking another place is there. Yeah, place is not there. Just I'm adding. Just a minute. Where is that? This one. So dear students, see, get ready, write down. This is called as what is the other name? Total probability theorem. Another name is total probability theorem. Write down. You can give like this also. Let E1, E2, E3 and so on, En be mutually disjoint. Means what here? Exclusive events that form a partitions. Better I will express a diagram, dear students. Directly I'm giving proof C. This is a sample space. Get ready. Now here, some events are there. Some events are divided into partitions like that. E1, E2, E3 like that. E4 like that and so on. Okay. This is the En. So one more event is happening. How is that event? Like that. A. The event A is happening with occurrence of with E1 or E2 or E3 like that. Here, my dear students, form a partition of sample space. Possible outcomes. In this case means what you should understand, P of Ei is always greater than 0 for all I. Okay, no? Now, concept is what here A is, suppose A is happening with any event like E1, E2 and so on, En. Then they are asking prove that P of A is equal to sigma P of Ei into P of A by Ei. I running from 1 to En. Prove that P of A is equal to P of Ei into P of A by Ei. Let us see how to solve this one. Dear students, here proof. Carefully. A is what here? A is subset of S. That means A is equal to, I can write A intersection S. Clear? So what do you mean A? I mean S is what, dear students? Adjacent to events. Adjacent to event means the place of yes, I can write E1 union E2 and so on union En. Why? Since E1, E2 and so on En are adjacent to events. That means their union is yes. So A is equal to A intersection U1 union A intersection U2 union A intersection En. Now apply right on. What the case? Probability theorem. Applying Edison theorem. Edison probability theorem on both sides. So P of A is equal to P of A intersection U1 plus A intersection U2 plus and so on plus A intersection En. After completing, tell me I can proceed this one. So E1, E2 means what the partitions. Okay, sample space divided into some partitions. E1, E2 like that. So one event is happening. How is that with one event is happening with E1 or E2 or E3 like that. That's why see, I'm choosing diagram. See, E1 intersection E is what? Empty set. Because these are mutually exclusive disjoint sets. That's the meaning. Next one, I'm proceeding. Right on. Next. Previous one, what is given? See, P of A. That means for here, now using conditional probability. I'm writing, see, what the meaning? P of A by B, what is the formula, dear students? P of A intersection B by P of B. See carefully. What the result is coming, see, once again. P of A is equal to, right on. P of A is equal to P of E1 intersection P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. Why? P of A intersection E2 like that and so on. P of En into P of A by En. So this is called as, what is that, anyone? Ironing from 1 to, yeah, that's good. So this is called as total probability theorem. Once again, see, diagram is very important here, students. See, draw the rough diagram. Completed? Now see, dear students, now we are discussing one question based on the total probability theorem. So my request is all of you read the question carefully. 1 or 2 times, then only you can understand the question carefully. See. What is the given? An urn contains, see carefully, or bag, one bag, no problem. A bag A contains 3 white balls, and for example, see carefully, A, B, first bag contains 3 white balls, 5 black balls. Second bag contains 6 white balls, 8 black balls. See carefully. Now, a ball is picked from A at randomly and transferred to B. Which type of ball means we don't know. We are not noticing the color, any color, okay, any ball. Then a ball is picked at randomly from B. Then what is the probability that it is a white ball? That is the question. Get ready. What is the meaning? So dear students, suppose let's A1, A2, B2 events of drawing a ball. Drawing white and black balls respectively from bag A. Respectively. Fine. So please tell me anyone what is the P of A1 from the bag A. A1 is what you are drawing a white ball from bag A. Anyone? 3 by 8. Drawing a black ball from the first bag, 5 by 8. Now choosing E is what here, the event E represents drawing a white ball. Drawing white ball from bag B. When it is possible, one ball is drawn from A and putting into another bag B. Then anyone, P of E by A1. Anyone, what is the answer? What is the meaning? One ball is drawn here. A1 means for drawing a white ball. I can keep in second bag. Now how many balls now? 7 white balls, 8 black balls. That means drawing a white ball means 7 white balls by total number of balls how many are there? 15. That is the meaning. Why? Because pick one ball and putting into another bag B. That's the meaning. So P of E by A1 means what here? What is the conditional probability of the event E when A1 event is already occurred? That's the meaning. Fine. P of E by A2. Probability of conditional probability of drawing a white ball when black ball is already drawn. That means what here? How many white balls are there in the second bag? That is 6 by 15. Why? In this case, this time drawing one black ball. Now 6 white balls plus 9 black balls. That is the meaning. First time 7 white balls, 8 black balls. That's the meaning. Now using total probability theorem, we get what is the formula? P of E is equal to what is the P of E? Conditions what? What is the probability that it is a white ball? So that is, so P of A1 into P of E by A1. P of A2 into P of E by A2. That is the question. So P of A1 is how much? 3 by 8. E by A1 is how much? 7 by 15. P of A2 is how much? NA1. 5 by 8. E by 8 means 6 by 15. To simplify, answer is coming 17 by 40. That is the answer. So probability of getting a white ball. So same model I'm giving on previous J mains question. Get ready, anyone tell me. Right on. So a lot of practice is required, or especially Bayes theorem, total probability theorem, medicine theorem, multiplication theorem. By practicing only, it will be easy. Completed? Okay. Now see, adding extra one more slide, just a minute. So same model I will give. Anyone tell me what is the answer? Okay. Now see. Anyone tell me what is the answer? Right on, dear students. A bag contains a bag contains five white balls and seven black balls. And second bag contains seven white and eight black balls. Okay. Now question is what here? One ball is transferred from one bag to another bag. One ball is transferred from what the case here? See carefully. I'm writing here. Transferred from the first bag to second bag. Write down all of you. Okay. So in this case, we should understand without noticing any color. That's the meaning. Without noticing any color. Okay. A ball is now drawn at random from the second bag. Find the probability that's the question. The probability that it is white. Anyone tell me? Is dash. See the question carefully. Actually, when they are giving this type of model, see anyone, my dear students, what is the procedure? First, we see we draw two bags. Simple cases. Bag one, bag two. Simple example. From the first bag, how many balls are there? 12. What are there? 5 white and 7 black. Clear? What about second bag? 7 white balls, 8 black balls. Totally 15, totally 12. Fine. What is the answer now? Anyone? Yeah, Bhavan Kumar, absolutely correct. Good. Good. How do you approach? Akhil, Maurya, anyone? Rushita? What is the answer? How do you approach? The bag contains 5 white balls, 7 black balls. And second bag contains 7 white balls and 8 black balls. What I'm doing here, one ball is drawn from the first bag and keeping into second bag. Conditions apply, we are not noticing any color, maybe a black or white, anything. Now, one ball is drawn from the second bag. That is the first event happening. Then what is the probability that the ball is becomes white? Anyone? Ready? See the condition. So this type of models, first of all, you should take. Let E1 is what here? Suppose, for example, white ball. White ball is drawn. White ball transferred that directly. It is what here? Black ball. This was a transfer from one bag to another bag. That's the meaning. What about E? What is the E? Generally taking E. A. A represents what is the case here? Anyone drawing a white ball from second bag. That is the question. See, they are asking what is the P of A? What is the probability? P of A is equal to P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. That is the question. Now, anyone tell me, please tell me. So, what is the probability of E1? Anyone? Drawing a white ball. Anyone? That is 5 by 12. P of E2. How much? 7 by 12. See carefully. Now, concept is P of A by E1. What is the meaning? So, one ball is transferred to second bag. Am I correct? Now, what is the probability of drawing a white ball when the white ball is drawn in first attempt? Any one. One ball is drawn. White ball, suppose. How many white balls now? 8 plus 8. That means 8 by 16. What is the probability of drawing a white ball when the black ball is drawn? Anyone? Anyone? Come on. So in this case also drawn. What is the case? No. Check it. Answer is coming 7 by 16. Concept is what here? They are asking what is the probability of drawing a white ball. So white ball is how many are there? Check it. 7. When drawing a black ball, that's the meaning. That means what here? Second case is what here? 7 white balls plus 9 black balls. That's the meaning. So 7 by 16. That's the meaning. 7 by 16. Black ball is transferred. How many are there? 9 black balls. But concept is what here? P of A. A is what? Drawing a white ball. How many white balls are there? 7. See carefully. Concept is what they are asking. What is the probability that drawing a white ball from the second bag when black ball is already drawn? That means 7 by 16. What is the first case? P of A by E1 is how much? 8 by 16 is how much? Anyone? Drawing a white ball means 1 plus 7, 8 by 16. That is the meaning. 8 white balls, 8 black balls, first case. Second case, 7 white balls, 9 black balls. See carefully. Now, P of E1 is how much, anyone? 5 by 12 into 8 by 16. P of E2, 7 by 12 into 7 by 16. How much is coming? 40 plus 49 by 192. So 89 by 192 is correct. Okay, Saran, okay. Second case C. Okay, good. What about this case C? What is the second case? Drawing a white ball, P of E. P of E by B2, I mean A2, means what you are drawing a, first to draw one ball. What about drawing a black ball in this case? First draw. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 6 white balls. Yeah. Now what is the problem of drawing a white ball? So 6 by 15. Just a minute, I'm taking rough diagram. See, dear students, carefully see. How many balls here? I forgot. Yeah, 5 white, 7 black balls. Here, how many are there? 7 white, 8 black balls. B1, B2. P of A by E2. What is the meaning here? E2 means what? You're drawing a black ball. Means what? One black ball is drawn. Add them. So 7 white balls plus 9 black balls. Now concept is what? You're drawing a white ball from the second bag. How many white balls? 7 by. What number of balls? How many are there? That's the meaning. Charan. Now once again I'm explaining. See, dear student, thank you. P of A by E1 means what? Means what? E1 means drawing a white ball. Means what? Add them. 7 white ball plus 1 white ball. Comma 8 black balls. Now, drawing a white ball means 8 by 16. That is the meaning. Understood? Okay, welcome. Thank you. Welcome. That's the answer. So here you should understand E1, E2 means where you're drawing the balls from the first bag only. Why? Because conditions apply. See, one ball is drawn from the first bag and transferred to second bag. That's the meaning. That means for in the second bag, number of balls are increasing. Okay. Now see, Bayes theorem, dear student, this is very important. Carefully. Bayes theorem. So once again I'm giving. So what is the partition of set? Yes, so we already discussed this one. Consider the sample space yes are mutually exhaustive and exclusive events of sample space yes. Now these events are called as partitions A1, A2 and so on AN. In previous case I told you how many of you remembering I don't know. I told you like that E1, E2, E3 like that AN. So one event is happening A like that. So here also same thing. AI intersection is always empty set and sigma P of AI. How much dear students? 1. This is the partitions of set concept. Okay. Try down. Base spelling like this one. That is the spelling Bayes theorem. Now I'll use statement. Dear student, this one is compulsory for board level exams. 7 marks questions. How they're asking board level? They're asking proof, come question also. So this one is four marks question. Another one is they are giving question that is 3 marks. So 4 plus 3, 7 marks totally. Right now, get ready. Now see. So here they're taking A1, A1. I'm continuing as usual. Don't worry. I'm writing here. See. Dear students, see carefully. Once again, I'm saying, dear students, see, this is the E1. Or they're taking A1, no problem. I can take A1, A2, A3, divided into some partitions like that. How many are there? N. Clear. Now, one event is happening here with any one of the events, either E1 or E2 or E3 and sorry, A1, A2 and so on AN. That's the meaning. Sai, close the video. Okay. Now, conditions after now get ready. Concept is what? A1 union A2 union A3 and so on. Union AN is what? Yes. Why? Because these are the exhaustive events. Please add this point. Exhaustive event. That means sigma AI union of. For the case, just a minute. Union AI is equal to S. So apply sigma on both sides. You know, apply P. What the result is coming here? Sigma P of AI. I running from 1 to N is equal to P of S. P of S is nothing but 1. That only given. See. Now, proof. Yes, A1, A2 and so on are mutually exclusive. Here I wrote C. Now, dear students, once read the base theorem statement. All the events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Exhaustive means the union is yes, their intersection is empty set, means disjoint sets. Now, A is any event happening with together, either A1 or A2 and so on, form partitions, then this is the proof. AK by A. Question, this is the question. So, how they are asking? Question C, let me explain. So, they are asking, what is the probability of A1 when the event A is already happening? What is the probability of A3 by A? Means particular suppose this one is, what is the conditional probability of A3 when the event A has already occurred? They are asking. P of A5 by A, P of A7 by A, P of A1 by A. So these type of questions we can expect. Let us see. Let me explain this one. After that, we discuss some problems. So a lot of practice is required. We discuss. Don't worry. Dear students, proof C now. Since you know one thing, what is that? AI intersection AJ is what? Empty set. Because I not equal to say. 2. What is the 2? Union of AI is how much? S is given. I running from 1 to N. Now, and A is what? Subset of S. Then I can write A is equal to A intersection S. A intersection S means what? A1 union A2 union AN. Apply distributive property, dear students. A intersection A1. A intersection A2 union A intersection AN. Fine. Now, using addition theorem in this case, because A1, A2 are disjoint sets, finally we are getting apply addition theorem. P of A is equal to P of A intersection A1, P of A intersection A2, and so on. That is the meaning. Still, dear students, how to write A intersection A1, A intersection A2, how to write anyone? Anyone. P of A1 into P of A by E1, A1 plus P of A2 into P of A by E2 and so on like that. Right, I'll give conclusion. So this is say, I'm taking, see carefully, keep in box. Write down. So in this case, you should write down what is that using addition theorem. Get. Write down and give proof continuation. So immediately I will give one or 2 to 3 questions models. You will get the idea. One is easy level, one is MSET level, one is advanced level. We discuss. After completing, please tell me, we can proceed this one. Okay, good. Yes, students, what is the continuation? Now, target is what here? P of AK by A. What is the condition probability? A intersection AK by P of A. That's the meaning. Fine. So A intersection AK. How to write here, students? Anyone this one? P of AK into P of A by AK. That is the meaning. Whole divided by P of A. So what is the P of A? Anyone? This is the see this one. Right on, that is the answer. Therefore, P of AK by A is equal to, how to write? Anyone? P of AK into P of A by K. Sigma directly. Dear student, directly how to write this one? Symbolically, I'm writing once again. See, symbolically, I can write P of A is equal to sigma P of A1 into P of A by A, AK. K running from 1 to N. That's the meaning. K running from 1 to N. Be careful. So very, very important, dear student, this is the case. Here already K is there, but I take some J, like that you can take it, no problem. Already K I'm using now. So this one use some J, like that. Take it anything. K remove, already I'm using K. So in the place of that one, I can use I, like that. I. AI. That's the meaning. So here I can be anything. That's the meaning. Here I means 1, 2, 3, N up to N, like that. So please write down this one. That is the meaning. So enough for this class. Revise. Dear students, see, note. A1, E2 and so on, En form a partitions of S. A is any event. Okay, these are the formulas. In case if P of A1, P of A2, all the events are probabilities are same. Their probability values are same. Then what is the Bayes theorem formula? These are the answers coming. See carefully. So once again, my request is all of you. So please practice Bayes theorem once again and total probability theorem also. Just not total where, yeah. Total theorem, total probability theorem also, which is very, very important. So based on this one, I have given one example also. Two more examples. Yeah, two examples are there. Let's see. Just a minute. So once again, all of you concentrating independent events, multiplication theorem, like that.